If you're looking for new construction in Sterling, Virginia, you're definitely going to want to stick around for today's video. I'm here in the Regal Chase community, which is a Beazer Homes community, and we are going to be checking out their model home today. We're looking at the Hepburn, and that is their larger floor plan, a little over 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. This is an absolutely stunning model home, and I'm excited for you to take a tour. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living, eating, sleeping, working, and playing in Northern Virginia, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell for notifications so that you'll never miss a video. Regal Chase is in walking distance to the shops at Countryside, and you're also just across from the Dulles Town Center, so you have really easy access to all the shopping, dining, and entertainment you could possibly need. And you're also just minutes to Route 7, 28, and Dulles Airport. This really is a fantastic location. So there you have it, a tour of the Hepburn model. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment below. We always love hearing from you. And as always, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, reach out on social, whatever works for you. We've got your back when you're making that move to Northern Virginia.